Okay, welcome once again. Today we want to plant cucumber, and I want to show you through this video how you can actually plant cucumber and make good yield. The first thing is land preparation. You can see land is being prepared. You can see the beds, they are being made. You can see this is the land preparation. Then after you must have prepared your land, you must make sure that you till the ground very well. Till the ground very well. So once you have tilled the ground very well, the next thing, you get your seed. Get a certified seed. You can see the seed I'm using. This one is called C99. Yes. So if you are in the southeast Nigeria, this is the type of cucumber that goes well in the southeast, more especially in Owerri. It is called C99. So you can, at the end of this video, you can tag me. You can also put a like, comment, so that if you don't know how to get this cucumber seed, I will now help you to get this cucumber seed. Yes. So after your land preparation, after you must have prepared your land, the next thing is your seed. As I said earlier, the next thing is for you to get your seed. Then bust your hole and create your distance. You can see the first thing I applied in the hole is wood ash. Wood ash. You can see the hole, wood ash. So learn from this video, like, share, and let others know. You can see I first of all added wood ash. Wood ash. I will tell you the reason why, or the reason I added wood ash first. The reason I added wood ash first is to neutralize each hole, the area, because I did not actually test this land to know the pH level. So once you add wood ash in the soil, whether it is good or bad, it will neutralize it. So I noticed that generally in the southeast, lands here are highly acidic. So that's why I added wood ash. So as soon as you added wood ash, you will now do what? Start putting your seed. Start putting your seed. But first of all, you must cover it with little sand. You cover it. Cover it. Then you can apply one single seed per hole. But here, I am going to add two because of some animals, so that they don't, if they eat one, they will remain one, or if there is problem, one will still survive. So you can see I'm going to drop two seed. Then I'm going to cover it with soil. That is exactly how you should do this. So I will do the same thing. I will cover this one. I will cover it with soil. Then I will now add my what? The two cucumber seed and cover it with light soil. I hope you are learning. For those who want to plant cucumber, so that is the procedure. You add, then you cover with soil. You add, you cover with soil. We move to the next one. You pick two seeds, then put in the hole, then cover with soil. Remember I told you that the wood ash that I added is to neutralize the soil. It also a manure too. It also acts as a manure. Yeah, it contains potassium and all the rest of them. So you add two here, cover with soil. So that is exactly what I hope you are following through. That is the procedure. This is the first thing you must do for you to get good yield in your cucumber. Prepare the land very well and apply these things that we just said now, and you see your cucumber flourishing, doing very well. So just follow me. I want you to share the video, like, subscribe to the channel for more information on farming, vegetables, and this time around is a very good time to plant cucumber. We still have rains. Do you understand? So tell me the country you're watching from. Tell me where you're watching from. These are ways you can plant cucumber. So try and get wood ash. It will really help the cucumber seed to grow very, very well. Then you cover with sand. You cover. You can see this one. Yeah, follow the method. Yeah, with this, you're gonna do well in cucumber farming. Then cover it with soil. Then let's put the last one from this. After this, let me tell you the next thing to do. The next thing to do. So, haven't done this now. This is where it ends. The next thing to do is for you to get what we call fowl manure or poultry droppings. Yes, you gather poultry droppings, and that poultry droppings is what you are going to add to the crop as soon as it germinates. And make sure that you be on a lookout for insects, because insects usually attack cucumbers during maybe after germination. Insects will start attacking them. So all you need to do is to make sure that you apply insecticide. Once you apply insecticide, yes, it will really help and scare those marauders away. You can use natural insecticide by using neem leaf, and just get some neem leaf and some garlic, crush together or pound together, sieve out the water. You can use it and spray on it. That is natural way. So another thing you can do, just buy chemical insecticide and spread. It will really help and scare them away. So make sure that you apply fowl manure. Fowl droppings help cucumber to grow very, very fine and well. So if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel, and see you on more tips on how to grow cucumber. And the next video I'm going to make is to show you how you can actually stake your cucumber. If you want to stake, you can see the bed I'm using. So I'm going to show you another way, another thing you can use if you don't have sticks in your farm. I'm going to show you how you can use minimal things to do your staking in the farm. Thank you very much. I would like to see you. Please share the video and subscribe to the channel for more information about cucumber farming and other crops.